Okay, let's talk about multiplying with scientific notation. When you have a multiplication problem with scientific notation, we can rewrite it in a different order because remember that when we multiply, it doesn't matter. 2 times 3 and 3 times 2 is both going to give me 6. So I'm going to rewrite it this way. So I'm doing 5.2 times 2.1, whoops, sorry, times 2.1. And then on the other side, I'm going to multiply the exponents. Okay, so it looks like that. And then I'm just going to multiply 5 times 2 times 2 times 1. So in case you have some difficulty multiplying, right? 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 5 is 5, 2 times 2 is 4. Remember, we have to leave a place value when we move over 1. And 2 times 5 is 10. And now I just add down 2, 9, and there's 2 decimal places. So I have 10.92. Okay? Now we're going to look over here. Remember, these are the same base. We're multiplying with the same base. So the rule for multiplying with the same base is just adding the exponents. And 4 plus negative 6 is negative 2. So this would be 10.92 times 10 to the negative 2 power. But we're not done yet because this answer is not in proper scientific notation. So in order to change that, I need this front number has to be greater than or equal to 1 and less than 10. So you can see that it's greater than 10, so we're going to have to move the decimal place. So I have to move the decimal place 1 here, 1 place value. I took away 1 place value. And if I take away 1 place value there, I have to add 1 place value here. So this is going to become 1.092 times 10, and negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1, and that is my final answer. So when I'm multiplying scientific notation, we want to separate the front numbers and multiply them, and then we're going to take the tens with the exponent on them, and we'll do them separately, follow our exponent rules. And then if we have to turn it back into scientific notation, you might not always have to do that. But if you get a number that's greater than 10 or less than 1, you may have to change that into scientific notation.